ANA is anti-nuclear antibody against the nucleus of your cells. So your cells are supposed to be protected and closed, and only when they broken open, when you have an autoimmune disease that breaks your cells, and only then your antibody can be exposed to the nucleus of your cells. So that is why it is an indicator of an autoimmune disease, because you develop antibodies against nucleus of your cells. That's what ANA means. It's basically an indication of an autoimmune disease because you develop antibodies against the nucleus of your cells. And as long as the number is going down, then you're getting better. And there are people who say that if your ANA is gone, you might still have a disease. And it's really sad because what we learn in medical school or from other doctors, that an autoimmune disease cannot be reversed. And that is not what we have seen in our program while working with clients. We have seen our clients' labs reverse and their symptoms reverse. So the step one is really you want to stop making new ones, and you do that with proper nutrition so the number is not going up but actually going down. So some of our clients' lab convert very fast within 6 weeks, which is amazing. People had positive antibodies since childhood. And that's where when we say complete disease reversal, it means no symptoms and labs go back to normal. It really depends how aggressively you go after your disease. And sometimes for people with an autoimmune disease, it may take years for their labs turn to normal, but for others, they might have normal labs while they have all the symptoms. They've been experiencing symptoms for decades. So if your ANA is positive right now, you may have had a disease before you even knew you had a disease. Does this make sense? That is why we always tell our clients not to wait until they have an official diagnosis to start making important health choices. So if you're experiencing abnormal symptoms such as hair loss, people have skin issues, joint pain, chronic fatigue is really common, that's a sign that something is not right and you want to start making changes. You don't have to wait until you have a diagnosis for an autoimmune disease or some kind of other chronic illness. Yeah, that's why it's like a feedback from your body is sending you to take care of it, and it's kind of like a check engine in your car that goes off. You don't want to ignore the light, you want to fix it, otherwise your car will break down. The same thing with our bodies. If your body is sending you a signal, hi Crystal, that something is not right, you want to take care of that and fix that before you get an official diagnosis. So don't wait for a diagnosis to start making important changes in your life and in your health.